Hello dear student. Today class we discuss haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes और haloarenes की जो लास्ट क्लास में हमने इसका बेसिक पार्ट देखा था, एक जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन देखा था। अगेन मैं इसकी कुछ हम बेसिक डेफिनेशंस को डिस्कस करके आगे आज हम इसका haloalkanes और haloarenes को क्लासिफिकेशन को भी डिस्कस करेंगे। तो टुडे एट फर्स्ट haloalkanes. Haloalkanes means that is, if a hydrogen atom is replaced from an aliphatic hydrocarbon by a halogen atom, the resulting compound formed is called as haloalkane. हम किसी हाइड्रोकार्बन एलिफेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन से हाइड्रोजन एटम को हेलोजन एटम से रिप्लेस करेंगे तो जो रिजल्टिंग कंपाउंड जो होगा वो हेलोएल्केन होगा। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इथाइल ब्रोमाइड। ब्रोमीन इज अटैच विद sp3 कार्बन। इन इथाइल ब्रोमाइड bromine is attached with sp3 carbon and this is derivative of ethane. So this is example of haloalkanes. So in haloalkanes a hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen atom. The resulting compound is haloalkane. Okay, now similar we discuss haloarenes. This is also called aryl halides. In haloarenes, if a hydrogen atom is replaced from an aromatic hydrocarbon by a halogen atom, the resulting compound formed is known as haloarenes. Aromatic hydrocarbon like benzene ring containing compound. So in haloarenes, hydrogen atom is directly connected with aromatic rings. For example, bromobenzene. In bromobenzene, bromine is attached directly sp2 carbon of benzene ring. So bromobenzene is example of haloarenes. Okay, now clear haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. On the basis of number of halogen atoms. On the basis of number of halogen atoms, haloalkanes and haloarenes are classified like mono, di, tri or poly, like monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, polyhaloalkane. Similar in haloarenes, monohaloarene, dihaloarene, trihaloarene or polyhaloarenes. Mono means only one halogen atom present. Di means two halogen atom present. Tri means three halogen atoms present. And poly means a large number of halogen atoms are present. So on the basis of number of halogen atoms, monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes and trihaloalkanes. This is monohaloalkane, this is dihaloalkane, this is trihaloalkane and their examples. So haloalkanes are classified. Similarly, haloarenes also classify monohaloarenes in which only one halogen atoms is directly attached with aromatic ring. Similarly, dihaloarenes, two halogen atoms are connected with benzene rings. Similarly, trihaloarenes, three halogen atoms are connected with benzene rings. So on the basis of number of halogen atoms, haloalkanes and haloarenes are classified mono, di, tri or poly. Haloalkanes or haloarenes. Okay. Now further, monohaloalkanes are classified more according to the hybridization of the carbon atom. Monohalo compounds are further classified. किसके बेसिस पर? On the basis of hybridization of carbon atoms. For example, if halogen atom is bonded with sp3 carbon, compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bonds. Similarly, if halogen atoms bonded with sp2 carbon, compound containing sp2 carbon halogen bonds. Okay. So now monohaloalkanes are further classified on the basis of hybridization of the carbon atoms. Now first, compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bonds. These are further classified alkyl halides, allylic halide and also classify in benzylic halides. Compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bonds, monohalo compounds are further classified alkyl halide, allylic halide and benzylic halides. Now first, allylic halide. In allylic halide, these monohaloalkanes carbon simple sp3, but these are simple derivative of alkanes like 1 degree monohaloalkanes, 2 degree monohaloalkanes and 3 degree monohaloalkanes. This is 1 degree monohaloalkanes, this is 2 degree monohaloalkanes, secondary monohaloalkanes, and this is tertiary monohaloalkanes, 3 degree monohaloalkanes. In 1 degree monohaloalkane, carbon is primary. In 2 degree monohaloalkane, carbon is secondary, and in 3 degree monohaloalkane, carbon is tertiary, 3 degree. 1 degree means the carbon atom which is connect only one carbon atom. This is known as 1 degree carbon atom. And halogen atom present in 1 degree carbon This is primary alkyl halides or 1 degree alkyl halides. If carbon atom is present, carbon atom is connect with 2 carbon. This carbon atom is known as secondary carbon, and halogen atom present in secondary carbon is known as secondary monohaloalkanes or 2 degree monohaloalkanes. If carbon atom is connect with 3 carbon atoms, that is 3 valency of carbon, 3 valencies of carbon are satisfied with carbon atoms. This type of carbon atom is known as 3 degree carbon or tertiary carbon. If halogen atom is present on 3 degree carbon, this type of monohaloalkanes are known as tertiary or 3 degree monohaloalkanes. So alkyl halides are further classified primary, secondary or tertiary haloalkanes. Now second is allylic halides. This is also monohaloalkanes. We know that C double bond C, single bond C, this system is known as allylic system. In this system, C double bond C, this is sp2 hybrid, and C single bond C, this single bond C is sp3 hybrid, and this sp3 carbon contain halogen atoms. So in allylic halide, the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to C double bond C system. In this is also allylic system. Here this C double bond C and this CCX. So this is sp3 carbon and both are sp2 carbon. So C double bond C, single bond C, this is also allylic system. So these are example of allylic halides. So clear, that is the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to C double bond C is known as allylic halide. Similarly, benzylic halides. Benzylic halide, that is the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Remember, must, halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. In allylic, next to an C double bond C, but in benzylic system, in benzylic halides, next to an aromatic rings. And now consider this example. The halogen atom is connect with sp3 carbon CH2, and this is also connect next to benzene ring. This is benzylic halides, very important, benzylic halides. When we learn chemical properties and physical properties, many reactions consider benzylic halides. Okay, so now hybridization of the carbon atom, monohalo compounds are classified: compound containing sp3 carbon halogen bonds and compound containing sp2 carbon halogen bonds, but compound containing sp3 carbon halogen bonds are further classified allylic halide, alkyl halides, allylic halide and benzylic halides. Okay, these are alkyl halide, allylic halide and benzylic halides are examples of sp3 carbon halogen bonds. And now next second, compound containing sp2 carbon halogen bonds, compound containing sp2 carbon halogen bonds, these are similar, further classify two parts, vinylic halide and aryl halides, vinylic halide and aryl halides. In vinylic halide, now halogen atom is directly connect with sp2 carbon atoms. Consider allylic halide where halogen atom is connect with sp3 carbon atom next to C double bond C. But in vinylic halide, halogen atom is directly connect with, attached with, bonded with sp2 carbon atom. Similar, this is also vinylic halide. Here halogen atom is directly connect with sp2 carbon. Now aryl halides. In aryl halides, halogen atom is directly connect with aromatic ring, sp2 carbon of aromatic ring. Just we discuss benzylic halide. In benzylic halide, halogen atom is directly connect with sp3 carbon. But in aryl halide, halogen atom is directly connect with aromatic ring, benzene ring. So these are examples of aryl halides. Okay, clear? So compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bonds, these are vinylic halides or aryl halides, and compound containing sp3 carbon halogen bonds, these are alkyl halides, allylic halides and benzylic halides. Okay, clear? Now today you compare allylic halide and vinylic halides. Similarly, you compare benzylic halides and aryl halides and clear your doubts. Okay, and now next class we clear doubts and continue to nomenclature of alkyl halides or haloarenes. Okay, thank you.